Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Craigslist account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and password. After logging in, click on this same button and you will end up within your account page. Now in order to change your email address, click on settings and you will see your email address. Click on the change button at the right side and now you will be asked to enter your new email address. Type in your desired new email address and then type it in once again for confirmation underneath within the retype section. Finally click on submit new email address and you will be asked to check your inbox. So just log into your email address and you will find a link that you can click on to verify your email change. Once you click on this link, your email address will successfully be changed on your Craigslist account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.